Good morning, children. Today we will do a new topic in grammar which is called similes. A simile is a figure of speech in which two dissimilar objects are compared with one another with common quality. Okay? Two different types of objects are compared, but they both have the same quality. Okay? तभी हम लोग उन लोग को compare कर सकते हैं. They are compared to one another through the use of like or as. The purpose of a simile is to help to describe one thing by comparing it to another thing that is perhaps different. Okay, so the main purpose of simile is what? That they are compared also, but they are two different objects, but then also we can compare because we can find one similar or the common quality between them. Overall, as a literary device, simile functions as a means of creating some comparisons between two different things. For example, if we say cat's fur is as smooth as silk, okay, so by comparing the smooth feel of the cat's fur to the feel of the silk, the readers can understand the texture of both the things. Okay, so इसमें compare क्या किया है cat's fur और silk. Okay, और common quality क्या है? Smooth. Silk भी smooth होता है और cat का fur भी smooth होता है. But both are the different things. Cat's fur भी different thing है और silk भी different thing है, right? But there is one same common quality, that is smooth. Okay, so smoothness is the common quality between the both. So ऐसे ही हम लोग हर चीज को compare करेंगे. Okay, two different things are compared, okay, but with the common quality. Okay, so similes are phrases that compare two different things that have a common quality. Features है simile always uses the word as or like. They are used to create word picture or images and make written content interesting. Okay, so it creates in our mind, okay, imagination of that thing, okay, and the common quality of that thing. Example, though almost 80 years old, my grandfather is still as fit as a fiddle. Your grandfather is being compared to a fiddle since both are fit. Okay, so two uncommon thing is fiddle and grandfather. Okay, और common quality क्या है दोनों में कि they both are fit. Okay, so here a list of common similes is given. As busy as bee. तो अगर हम लोग को ये sentence में use करना है तो we can say कि राज is as busy as bee. So राज और बी को कंपेयर किया गया है. ओके, और कॉमन क्वालिटी दोनों में क्या हो गई? बिजी. ऑलराइट, सो दो माई ग्रैंड मदर इज 80 years old, शी इज एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ बुल. ओके, सो किसको किसको कंपेयर किया? ग्रैंड मदर और बुल को. ऑलराइट, और दोनों में कॉमन क्वालिटी क्या हो गई? स्ट्रॉन्ग. ओके, सो दिस वे चिल्ड्रन सिमिलीज आर यूज्ड and this way the comparisons are used between two different objects are compared with a same common quality. Okay,